All right, welcome again. Welcome back. This is part two of the multi-series for the Klaviyo. And in this video, what we're only going to talk about is how to create a list on Klaviyo. And the purpose of this multi-series is for those who want to connect their Shopify store to Klaviyo, but this video is only going to focus on creating a list. So what you're going to learn very specifically is understanding the difference between a list and a segment, and I'll go deep as far as understanding the whole concept of lists and segments, okay? So I hope you enjoy. If you're brand new to the channel, don't forget to smash the subscribe button and also like button, and let me know down in the comments if you like this type of stuff. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
So I want to first start off with the lists because I think that the lists are the most important ones. So when it comes to lists, think of it like a database of people, right? A list is just a database of people, right? And a segment is a fraction database of those people. So I'll give an example. A list is everybody that comes in from Shopify. So you have your whole customer database from Shopify, right? But then a segment is a fraction of that list. So what would a fraction be? A fraction would be something like, okay, from those people in Shopify, I want to create a segment of those that spent over $300 in my store. And then I want to create another segment of all those people that spent less than $100 in my store. And then finally, a segment of those people who never bought anything at all. And so from that segment, you're going to create different email campaigns for those people. For those people that are ballers, that spend a lot of money on your store, you're going to create them something so that they could see an email campaign. You see the power of segments? For those that didn't even spend anything, you go ahead and create an email for those type of people saying, hey, I'm going to give you a special offer and so on and so forth, okay? Hopefully in the future videos, let me know in the comments if you want to learn about segments. Let me know in the comments, do you want me to create a video of how to create a segment? And if so, I want to know what type of segment is important to you? Like what type of email do you want me to kind of like create so that I could guide you through the process? I ask you that question, guys, because I don't want to waste your time, right? So I don't want to create a video that you guys are not interested in, but if you're interested on that, let me know, and then I'll go ahead and run that through. So the first thing that we want to do is let's create kind of like, let's see here. Let's start all the way at the top. All right, so the first one that we're going to do is as I mentioned, is the sign up form. So let's go ahead here and first create a list. So let's go to list. Again, don't impulsively just go to create a sign up. No, let's just create a list, right? And these are some preview lists, okay, that they recommend, but you don't need to have them. So if you want, you could delete them if you want. But these are just there for example purposes. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and create a list for this training. And I'm going to say, we are creating a list. And the name of this list is going to be signups from the pop-up, right? And excuse my background because I'm a family man, right? And let's go ahead and create that list. We're going to create that list. So what do we do next?
Whap, there you have it. We learned how to create a list. If that's what you came here for, that's what it is. But you're like, whoa, 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 what happened? I want more. I want to know what happens after that. I got you covered. I thought about you. Just go to that next video. That next video is going to show you then how to do the sign up form. So I hope to see you on the next video. Remember, if you like this video, subscribe, like, because I'm going to make more. You see, if you help me, I help you. Can we do that? If you help me, I help you. Know what I mean? So see you on the next video.